Brothers and sisters, today I want to share a simple and powerful remembrance focused on the blessed name of Allah, Ya Rahman. If your heart feels heavy, if your mind is crowded with stress, if your home is facing difficulties, or if you are seeking peace, comfort, and Allah's mercy, then listen closely. This is an easy spiritual practice you can perform with a glass of water, a sincere heart, and full trust in Allah. It does not promise instant results, nor is it about expecting miracles immediately. It is about turning back to Allah with hope, humility, and faith. In moments when life feels overwhelming, when financial worries press down, when sadness weighs on your chest, and when you feel misunderstood or alone, the most powerful act you can take is to return to the remembrance of Allah. Many people search everywhere for relief. Some search in people, some search in plans, some search in distractions, and some search in the world. But true peace begins when the heart turns back to the one who created it. The name Ya Rahman reminds us of Allah's endless mercy, a mercy that reaches every pain, every fear, every difficulty, and every silent prayer that has never been spoken out loud. So if you are tired, if you are worried, if you feel emotionally drained, or if you are simply longing for barakah in your life, then listen to this practice with your full attention. This is a peaceful remembrance you can do in your own home, in a calm moment, whenever you are free and able to focus. All you need is a glass of clean drinking water and a heart that sincerely wants to call upon Allah. Sit peacefully and keep the water in front of you. Take a moment to calm your thoughts. Do not rush. Do not treat this like a routine done without meaning. This is a moment of remembrance. This is a moment of hope. This is a moment where you ask Allah to fill your life with mercy, ease, barakah, and peace. Before beginning, make a simple intention in your heart. Ask Allah sincerely to place goodness in your life, to remove what is harmful, to bring peace to your home, to bless your rizq, and to guide you toward what is best. Always remember that Allah is the one who gives. Allah is the one who opens doors. Allah is the one who brings ease after hardship. And Allah is the one who knows what is hidden in every heart. Begin by reciting Durood Shareef with love and respect. Send peace and blessings upon the Prophet Muhammad. Peace and blessings be upon him. Let your heart soften as you begin. Then, after Durood Shareef, recite Ya Karim 10 times. Recite it calmly, gently, and with focus. As you say Ya Karim, remember that Allah is the most generous. He provides in ways we cannot imagine. He opens doors we never expected. He gives from places we never thought possible. After that, continue by reciting Ya Aziz 11 times. As you say Ya Aziz, remember that Allah is the Almighty. No hardship is too great for Him. No difficulty is beyond His power. No closed door can remain closed if He wills it to open. No burden is too heavy if He chooses to lift it. Then comes the heart of this remembrance. Recite Ya Rahman 21 times. Recite it with humility. Recite it with hope. Recite it with a heart that is asking Allah for mercy. If your life has felt difficult, if your chest has felt tight, if your home has felt burdened, if you have been worried about your future, your finances, your family, or your emotional peace, then call upon Allah through this beautiful name with sincerity. Ar-Rahman is the one whose mercy covers everything. His mercy reaches what people cannot reach. His mercy touches what no human being can fix. After reciting Ya Rahman, Continue immediately by reciting Ya Jabbar 7 times. As you say Ya Jabbar, remember that Allah is the one who restores what is broken, repairs what is damaged, strengthens what has become weak, and brings stability where there has been chaos. If your heart feels broken, if your situation feels scattered, if your life feels like it has lost balance, then remember that Allah can restore what feels lost. Then recite Bismillah Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim and read Surah Al-Fatiha once with reflection and sincerity. After that, end by reciting Durood Shareef again. This completes the full spiritual sequence. Keep your focus from beginning to end. Stay seated, remain calm, and keep your heart connected to Allah throughout the recitation. Once you have completed the remembrance, take the glass of water that has been in front of you and gently blow onto it 1 time or 3 times. Do this softly and respectfully. Then drink from the water. If you wish, family members in the home may also each take a sip. If some water remains, you may keep it or add it to the household drinking water as a symbolic way of sharing the blessing of the recitation throughout the home. My dear brothers and sisters, always remember something very important. This is a form of dhikr and dua. It is a spiritual act of remembrance, a way of asking Allah for mercy, peace, barakah, and ease. It is not a replacement for medical care, treatment, or professional help. If someone is sick, continue making dua, continue doing dhikr, and continue seeking proper medical care. If you are facing financial hardship, continue making dua, continue asking Allah for halal rizq, and continue making honest, lawful effort. Faith and effort go together. When you do this remembrance sincerely, what you may feel is peace in the heart, calmness in the mind, emotional relief, spiritual comfort, and a renewed sense of hope. Sometimes Allah changes a person's situation quickly. Sometimes He changes the heart first. Sometimes He opens a door that was hidden. Sometimes He removes something harmful that we never even knew was there. And sometimes the greatest blessing is not what comes into your hand immediately, but what settles into your heart. Do not rush to judge the result. Do not measure everything only through immediate material change. The most beautiful gift can be the way your heart begins to feel lighter, the way your home begins to feel calmer, the way your trust in Allah becomes stronger, and the way your soul begins to find rest again. You can do this remembrance whenever you wish. You may do it once, you may repeat it from time to time, or you may make it part of your regular spiritual routine. The key is sincerity, consistency, and trust in Allah. Never treat it like a guaranteed formula. Treat it as a beautiful act of remembrance and a humble request for Allah's mercy. If you are going through a difficult time right now, then do not lose hope. Allah sees what people do not see. Allah hears the prayers you have not spoken aloud. Allah knows the tears that never reached anyone else. Allah knows the burdens you carry in silence. The world may only see your face, but Allah sees your heart. So return to Him. Call upon Him. Remember Him. Ask Him for peace. Ask Him for barakah. Ask Him for halal provision. Ask Him for strength. Ask Him for healing. Ask Him for ease. And ask Him for what is best in this life and the next. Say Ya Karim and remember His generosity. Say Ya Aziz and remember His power. Say Ya Rahman and remember His mercy. Say Ya Jabbar and remember His ability to restore what feels broken. May Allah fill your home with peace. May Allah place barakah in your rizq. May Allah ease your worries. May Allah strengthen your heart. May Allah grant you what is best for you. May Allah bring comfort to your soul and light to your life. Ameen. If this reminder reaches your heart, then keep it close. Practice it with sincerity, and always remember that no difficulty is too great when a believer turns back to Allah with trust, patience, and hope. Take care of yourself, and may Allah's mercy always remain with you.